Hi guys! Today I'm back with another YouTube channel video. You guys haven't seen me with another video. You guys seen when I did a video in the car? When I was making a video of my aunt and he's at Burger King. He's at Burger King. I'll make a video. And today I'm going to do a big tutorial video. I'm going to color on this Nessie lip eyes. I'm going to color with this lip balm. I just put on my lips. There's another one I'm going to do with that one. These two. And I got this eyebrow pencil for my mom. My mom uses for her eyebrows. And this is like a lip balm. Like this is a lip balm and this is a lip balm. So they're both lip balms. And I love lip balm. Mom haven't had a lip balm before. And I got this like little makeup thing for your like eye when you're doing like your eyelashes. I got this. Mom brought it from the store, Beauty Apply store. She got it and it was like a whole bunch of different colors like this. And I got this like little thing for your like eye. Let's just start the video. Wait, first start the video. Let's comment down below, put some thumbs up. See how you get this video. Okay, let's start. So put this here. Gonna do this first. This is cute, guys. Guys, look at the color of this. Look, guys, this color is cute. It's like the black color. Guys, look at this color. It's the same color as this. Look, this is cute. Let me put some on my lips. Okay, that one's cute, this lip balm. I love lip balm. Victoria. You guys can see my Victoria. My eyebrows. Oh, I have to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows. It looks so crazy. Just wipe a little bit off. A little bit off.
What the heck are everybody doing?
Let's just start that over. Start my makeup over. I already got that right. I got that one wrong. Got that one wrong. Let's go with that. That one got wrong too. That one was wrong. I was saying that one's right if that one's wrong. That mine's right. That mine's right. Get my lip gloss on, my lipstick on. get my lipstick on. See guys, I'm doing my makeup. I already got my makeup done. Do my own makeup. My other makeup. My lipstick. That could look cute for the movie. Guys, I'm taking my lipstick off. So I got my makeup done and then I'm done. I just finished getting my makeup done. Yeah, stop Skylar. Well, I'm not Skylar. Purple name. Got my